towards your living and the dining area. Beautiful interior work is done for your reference. This is the most spacious room of the house. You can have a look at the huge. In a city like Bangalore, connectivity is everything, and this location get it just right. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing 3 BHK sample flight tour of Brigade Lumina by Brigade Group located in Yashwantpur, Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site, and just behind me you can see the marketing office of the project, and the land parcel is right over here where they will be coming up with the main entrance. So the main entrance will be coming up right over here, and the land parcel will start from here itself. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. And the project is spread across 4 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 residential towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground, stilt plus 19 floor, offering you 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. And this project offers you 80 plus world class amenities like of a grand clubhouse, multi-purpose court, swimming pool, kids play area, and many more. Now about the location part, and the project is located bang on Tumkur Road in Yashwantpur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and this will be the main entrance of our project. And about the Tumkur main road, so this is the Tumkur main road, and this road will take you towards Chikkabadrakkallu metro station, which is right over this side. And the opposite side road will connect you towards Jalali metro station over this side. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So Chikkabadrakkallu metro station is just 2 minutes of walking, and you can connect to IKEA Bangalore in just 7 minutes. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1,819 square feet, super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So it comes up with a perfect entrance, and this is a foyer area for your privacy where you can set up your shoe rack right over this side. And now this foyer area will take you towards your living and the dining area. And this is a perfect living and the dining area. First, let's focus upon the living area where they have done the beautiful interior with the sofa set. Here's the TV unit space for you, and it has a connecting balcony as well. So this side is a connecting balcony. Comes with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3 side covered, giving you perfect city view. Now about the dining space, so you can have a look how spacious this dining area is, where you can set up easily 6 to 8 seater of dining table, and this dining area is easily connected to the kitchen area. So now let's quickly move inside the kitchen area. And now this is your spacious and beautiful kitchen area, where again the beautiful interior work is done for your reference with the platforms, the cabinet, and it has enclosed dry balcony, that is a utility space divided via half wall structure. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the sink area, and here's the space for your machine. The provision for your machine is provided. So now let's quickly move towards your bedroom space. Now just follow me, and we'll be moving towards your bedroom space, and your bedroom number 1 is on the other side of the house and master bedroom on the other side. So we'll be moving towards your bedroom number 1. And on my right hand side is the bedroom number 1. So once you step inside your bedroom number 1, you can have a look at the spacious beautiful room, and the interior speaks for itself that this is the kids bedroom, and it has ample of space over here. The space is managed in the way, the corner bed right over this side. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and there is a perfect space for your kids to play. Here's a study table. And now once you step outside this bedroom, exactly in front is your common washroom. So here's a common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. The shower area is divided by a tile drop. Now about your bedroom number 2. So the bedroom number 2 is exactly beside your bedroom number 1. So let's quickly move inside your bedroom number 2, and this is the bedroom number 2. With ample of space to move around in the room, with a bed space right in the center of the room, and this is not just a window but a standing balcony, that is a Juliet balcony, comes up with anti-skid flooring right over the side. So here's the anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and now this side you can set your wardrobe, your work table as well, and the private washroom. Yes, so this bedroom comes up with a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting again. And again here, the shower area is divided via tile drop. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, which is on the other side of the house. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now we'll be moving towards your master bedroom. So walking and crossing through your living and the dining area, your master bedroom is right over here, and the uniqueness is the flooring, the wooden finishing anti-skid flooring. And this is the most spacious room of the house. You can have a look at the huge bed placed in the center of the room, and here is the proper balcony. Again with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and also this balcony's 3-side cover. You can have a proper tea and a coffee and enjoy evening snacks. Now you can add up your work table, your TV unit right over the side. And the wardrobe is over here. About the private washroom, yes, they have a private master washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings again. So now, as you all know, we are here at Brigade Group's project. Have you checked out the project with Brigade Group? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.